Okay, so here's the machine. It is fully heated up. You can see here, based on this, the pressure stat right here is working. It stops heating around 2 bars. Nice strong steam. However, the water dispenser buttons don't work. They never worked when the machine was brought in. They didn't work, so nothing on here. None of those electronics are working. Yeah, that's about it. The water level probe works. This on-off button works, but the light inside here, this indicator light here, does not work. But we have ordered a new one. It's coming in the mail now.